This here is a 8-inch pipe, and what you do is it's for pumping out water so your pool doesn't end up being a boat and float. Across this whole end here, the deep end, there's a French drain underneath that is graded to a hole that goes into that, and obviously the pipe's empty, and then you just drop in your sump pump and put a regular clean out like on your skimmer goes on the top of this at concrete level. That'll be cut off, and that way you can pump out water that's sitting there. So again, like the video and post any questions. Thank you.